what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a business. Not because they want to do it, just because they heard it pays, and who the fuck.
Hey guys, we're back in Discord. This is a part I'm going to show you. I made two groups. I made a Fortnite club. I made a gamer club. I made a Fortnite server club. If I put something on for Fortnite, and I have the Gamer Masters Club. This is like, let's say, if someone wants to join, they can join, and later they can join one of these two clubs. They can later. There's going to be some other one. This one that was from the other gamer. It doesn't really work no more because he forgot his the password and stuff like that. So we're going to check this one out, and this is where you guys will like comment, like saying you want, say, okay, Gamer Masters, like that. You can just say that. You can just say, like, can I join the Gamer Masters? Like, you can just ask a question like this. Like that. You can ask a question like that. And you can do is do whatever, but not in this club. Don't do whatever in this club. This is just for important stuff. But when you choose, like, you can say, if you want to join a different club, like saying, like that, can I join the Minecraft club? Or you can say, can I join the Fortnite club? Like that. Or you could say, can I join the gamer club? The gamer club is like just saying, like, if you want to talk like in your own way. If like saying, okay, let's say that you want to join the gamer club, and okay, like saying you join the gamer club, you just say gibberish like that. You can do that in the gamer club. If you want to, you can say yeet, or you can say doesn't matter what you type. The gamer club is a free moment that you can express yourself. So you can say cuss words, you can say profanity, but not on the other servers. You have to respect. You can't curse on the other servers. You can't curse on the Fortnite server. Can't curse in the gamer server, Gamer Master server. You only can curse in the gamer club. That's the only time when you can curse. And if I caught you cursing, then I will give you 6 strikes. If I see you cursing, because I'm very generous, I'm gonna give you just 6 strikes. If I see you cursing on the main Gamer Master server, or I see you curse, if I see any cursing in the Fortnite server or the Gamer Master server. In the Minecraft server, you get one strike. I get I put you with one strike, and if you complete all the 6, you're no more a gamer. The only place where you can curse and do profanity and do whatever is the gamer club. You can't do none of the horrible stuff in the rest of the clubs or rest of the servers. I meant. You can only curse in the gamer club. That's it. That's the only time when you can curse. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of what I was doing. The only place where you can curse is the gamer club. All of these servers, like welcome to the Fortnite server and welcome to the gamer server. If I like this, you cannot curse in this server or the welcome to gamer server. You cannot curse. But the only place where you can curse I will allow is welcome to the gamer club. This is the only place I will let you curse. But guys, I hope you enjoy it. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. Yeah, you can curse in the Minecraft server. I'm going to add that too. So you can curse on none of the servers. Only like you can only do profanity, cursing, whatever, blah 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 if you want to. You can do all of those stuff in the gamer club, but the other servers, the Fortnite server just for Fortnite, and Game Master servers, it's like if you want to join something like a club, whatever, like a different club, you want to exchange your club, like you saying, hey, can I switch out? Can I join the, let's just say example, can I join the Fortnite club? And you say, it's not really my type. And you just want to exchange it for the Minecraft server. You can do that. You just gotta ask us first. And then we'll let you guys exchange. It doesn't matter. If you can choose in, but the gamer club, like, okay, I'm just gonna add this one because I just created it. Okay. Okay, create. Yeah, this one you cannot curse. I'm gonna label all of this, and so you don't, none of you curse in one each. This one's gonna have the gamer club is gonna have a specific level, logo that you can curse at. If it has something that you can curse, use it to curse. If it has, if the gamer club does not have a logo, then you can click it and you can express yourself. But if the rest has a logo, you cannot express yourself because the rest are going to be for only gamers. Well, everything's for gamers. Yeah, like if you play like a certain game like Minecraft, Fortnite, you cannot curse in one of these two. I won't allow it. It's PG for these two, meant for these three. But this one, I will allow PG. PG-13. I'll allow PG-13 on a gamer club. But guys, you cannot curse in none of the servers. I repeat, one more time. If I caught you cursing, you can never curse at none of the servers that has a logo. Not at all. It's unacceptable. You can never curse at one server. If I caught you cursing, you're going to have one strike left in. But you can never curse at anyone. You can only curse at the gamer club. But if someone tells me that you're cursing in other servers, it's going to be one strike for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this helps you and remind you cannot curse. Oh yeah, one more thing. You can as well add me. Here's my username, and as well, if you want to, you can use this link right here. It's gonna be down below in my video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politics.